truck bed light strips are a game changer for those who rely on their pickup truck for work or adventure. These versatile, powerful lighting solutions illuminate the entire cargo area, making it easier to load, unload, and manage gear during low light conditions. Ensuring you choose the best light strip can uplift your truck's functionality and aesthetics. Whether you're camping, working late, or just need to find something quickly, a high-quality truck bed light strip is indispensable. Let's explore some of the top options available on the market to help you find the perfect match for your nighttime truck activities. At number 5 is the Gooacc RGB Truck Bed Light Strip. The Gooacc RGB Truck Bed Light Strip is an essential upgrade for those looking to enhance the functionality and aesthetics of their vehicle. This kit includes two 60-inch strips equipped with 180 LEDs each, promising not only to illuminate your truck bed effectively, but also to add a vibrant touch with various color options. One of the standout features of this light strip is its versatility, controlled by an RF remote. Unlike typical IR remotes, the RF design allows you to switch on and control your lights without direct line of sight, passing through solid objects and operating from a considerable distance. This is exceptionally convenient when operating in large areas or adverse weather conditions. Speaking of weather, the light strip's durability is noteworthy. Wrapped in a high-grade soft hose, the LEDs boast an IP67 waterproof rating, making them resilient against rain, dust, and sandy environments. This robust construction assures that the light strip can endure the rough conditions typical of outdoor adventures and work environments. Installation is easily manageable thanks to the included self-adhesive tape, extra cable ties, screws, and fasteners. With these accessories, you can securely mount the light strip to any clean surface without much hassle. Additionally, the Gooacc light strip supports a variety of functional and fun lighting options. You can personalize your space with 8 static colors for dynamic modes and musical synchronization settings. Particularly handy is the memory mode, which recalls your last used settings. At number 4 is the Xprite RGB Truck Bed Bluetooth Lights Kit. The Xprite 60 inches RGB Truck Bed Bluetooth Lights Kit emerges as a vibrant solution for those looking to enhance their vehicle with high-quality, efficient lighting. This package comprises 3 60-inch light strips, each packed with 90 high-intensity RGB LED chips, offering not only brighter output but also a more uniform light distribution compared to many competitors. This vivid illumination can significantly improve the aesthetic and functionality of vehicles by enhancing visibility and creating a distinctive look. A standout feature of this kit is its advanced weatherproof design. LED strips are housed within a durable, flexible tube that holds up excellently under adverse weather conditions, including rain and snow, ensuring reliability and longevity. It is also noteworthy that a fuse holder is included for installation, providing essential protection for both your vehicle and the lighting equipment. Connectivity and control of the lights are seamlessly managed via a Quick Connect Bluetooth system. Compatible with iOS and Android devices, the system allows access to an RGB color wheel with 16 million colors, over 30 strobe patterns, and an ability to react to music played through its application. Personalization is furthered with control features for different effects, sound-activated modes, speed, and brightness adjustments, all accessible through a new, convenient remote control that works over 100 feet. Installation is user-friendly. Each strip comes with pre-applied adhesive tape. For those requiring a more robust setup, additional brackets and screws are included, adhering securely to nearly any surface within the payload, along the rail of a truck, or beneath the bed cover. At number 3 is the Nilight TR-052 PCS 60-inch 180 LED bed strip kit. The Nilight TR-052 PCS 60-inch 180 LED bed strip kit stands out as an exceptional lighting solution for truck beds, ensuring both impressive brightness and versatile application. Featuring two 60-inch strips equipped with 185,050 SMD LED chips each, the kit emits a robust 2,400 LLM of 6,000K super bright white light, providing ample illumination for cargo spaces, pickup trucks, SUVs, RVs, and boats. A significant advantage of this lighting set lies in its ease of installation. The strips come with self-adhesive tape that has an enhancer promising 5 times the normal strength, ensuring a secure and lasting application. For those preferring an even more robust installation, additional mounting hardware is included. This dual install option not only adds convenience but also versatility, fitting various user needs and setup conditions. Safety is another key feature of this lighting kit. It is designed with circuit security in mind, incorporating an inline blade fuse and an on/off switch in the provided two-way splitter. This thoughtful addition not only ensures secure electrical connections, but substantially reduces the risk of wiring issues during operation, making it a reliable choice in dynamic environments. Durability is not compromised. Encased in an IP67 sealed housing, the LED strips are protected against harsh elements, including rain, snow, dirt, and sand. This robust shielding allows the strip to perform optimally without succumbing to environmental stress, all the while boasting a substantial 30,000-hour lifespan. At number 2 is the Xprite White Truck Pickup Bed Light Kit. The Xprite White Truck Pickup Bed Light Kit is a compact yet powerful solution for those seeking enhanced visibility for various automotive applications. This set includes 8 lighting pods, each housing 3 ultra-bright SMD LEDs, which collectively provide substantial illumination. Its versatility and ease of use are sure to appeal to truck owners who need effective lighting after dark for tasks like loading and unloading without the need for additional handheld lights or portable work lights. One of the standout features of the Xprite Light Kit is its highly durable and weatherproof construction. Each unit is rated IP67, meaning they're not only fully protected against dust, but also can handle immersion in up to a meter of water for up to 30 minutes. This makes the kit exceptionally suitable for use in all weather conditions, whether it be rain, snow, or dusty environments. The unique thin design of each pod, measuring just 0.25 inches in thickness, allows for a more seamless integration compared to bulkier models. This subtlety ensures that the lights are nearly invisible when installed, fitting neatly under bed rails, side markers, or the interior of the vehicle for footwell lighting without interfering with other elements. Installation of the pods is notably straightforward, featuring a reliable 3M adhesive for quick setup. For additional security, the lights can also be fixed with screws. Furthermore, the kit includes a switch to manually control the LED pods and ample wiring length for flexible placement, ensuring it can be tailored to any specific setup requirements. At number 1 is the Nilight Truck Bed Light Strip RGB-IC LED lights. The Nilight Truck Bed Light Strip RGB-IC LED lights offer a superior lighting solution for truck owners who want both aesthetic appeal and functionality. This product includes 3 60-inch strips that are equipped with 135 pieces of SMD 5050 Robic LED chips, renowned for producing ultra-bright and uniformly distributed light. This design not only fully illuminates the truck bed area but also provides an exciting chase effect that greatly enhances the vehicle's appearance, adding a vivid, dynamic flair to your truck. Control of these LED lights is remarkably versatile, combining ease of use with advanced functionality. Users have the flexibility to adjust settings via a smartphone app, a remote control, or directly from the integrated buttons. With 5 operational modes including multicolor DIY, various music and rhythm sync options, and a timing function, customization is at your fingertips. Furthermore, the system boasts 16 million colors, 8 music modes, and 256 light-changing patterns, allowing for precise personalization to match any mood or occasion. As for durability, the light strips are encapsulated in a premium soft hose that's rated IP67 waterproof, meaning they can endure harsh weather conditions like rainstorms and harsh winds, as well as repel dust and sand. This robust design promises longevity and dependable performance even in challenging environments. Installation simplicity is key with self-adhesive tapes, additional cable ties, and securing screws, ensuring a stable setup on any vehicle's surface once it's properly cleaned and dried. Suitable for a variety of vehicles powered by 12V. This versatile setup can be adapted for trucks, boats, RVs, and more, making the Nilight Truck Bed Light Strip RGB-IC a fantastic choice for those looking to enhance their vehicle with both striking visuals and practical lighting. With a 2-year warranty included, this product offers both security and spectacular lighting performance for an array of vehicular needs.